Hello, I'm George Goss, and I'm speaking to you from the IRT X-ray Applications Development Laboratory here in San Diego. Today I'm going to demonstrate some of the capabilities of our laboratory. The Applications Laboratory primarily provides support for sales and customer demonstrations. As you will see, the Applications Lab maintains many different X-ray imaging capabilities, making it one of the most advanced real-time X-ray labs in North America. I will now show you just some of the types of equipment that we maintain here in the laboratory. The first X-ray system we're going to see here is a microfocus unit. This is produced by IRT, and we're seeing it moved on an overhead suspension mechanism. This tube has a maximum output of 160 kV with a continuous duty at 35 watts. The spot size in the tube ranges from 5 microns up to 200 microns and is continuously variable in between. The high tension generator operates at 25 kilohertz, which means that it has ultra-stable X-ray output. The system is microprocessor controlled and allows the entire unit to operate with X-ray magnification at over 200 times. This fractional focus tube shown here is the IXRS 160-1600. It operates at 160 kilovolts max with a continuous duty at 1600 watts. Again, this has a 25 kilohertz generator for a stable X-ray output. The spot sizes in these tubes range from 0.2 millimeters up to 3 millimeters. The tube is small and versatile and can be used in general purpose for film or real-time imaging. This tube head shown here, also on the suspension system, is the IXRS 320-3200. It operates at a maximum of 320 kV with a continuous duty at 3200 watts. Again, the high-frequency generator allows ultra-stable output. The tube head is relatively compact, and this tube provides the high energy required for large and dense samples such as iron or steel castings. This low kV X-ray source is the IXRS 50-1500. It has a range from 2 kV up to 50 kV and also provides a very high current up to 120 mA. This tube is excellent for the inspection of low-density materials, especially composites, and can be used for film or real-time imaging to increase image contrast. The X-ray lab also has several different types of manipulators depending on the sample to be inspected. Here we see a 5-axis manipulator. This allows the sample to be moved in X and Y and also to be zoomed within the X-ray beam and to be tilted and rotated. This allows the X-ray beam to project through complex samples at oblique angles and reveal more information. This manipulator is programmable from the ADR computer to automatically step through a pre-programmed sequence of views of a component. We also have single-stage 2-axis manipulators that allow for the inspection of flat objects such as printed wiring assemblies. The next step in the image forming process are X-ray detectors. Here we see an image intensifier system. The image intensifier is used to convert X-rays into visible light. The intensifier is also used to cover a broad range of inspection applications. Here we see the intensifier coupled with a solid-state CCD camera mounted on the rear side of the unit. The camera sends the video signal to the image processor and TV monitor. This type of a setup allows for image production when there's a very low-level X-ray signal. Placed directly in front of the image intensifier is an adjustable beam shutter that stops down variable portions of the X-ray beam around a sample being inspected. This type of a method improves imaging capability for items that have a very high contrast. This camera box is a combination of a silicon intensifier target camera that uses a lens to view the light output of an X-ray conversion screen. This type of a setup maintains distinct advantages when viewing an X-ray image of a sample that has a high interesting dynamic range or when very low kV X-ray imaging is required for sample inspection. These are a few of the camera systems that the Applications Laboratory maintains for use. The camera on the left is a direct X-ray imaging camera that is based on a dial gum Plumicon type tube. This camera provides excellent image resolution for small fields of view. The camera in the center is a solid-state charge-coupled device camera that provides good resolution for higher light output devices such as image intensifiers. This camera has a very stable output and is very reliable. The camera on the right has a standard-type Vidicon tube and is commonly used in the NDT industry. The Applications Laboratory operates image processing systems that range from very simple to very sophisticated. The processor being shown operated here is the ADR 700. The ADR 700 system provides computer control of the X-ray system and the sample manipulation system. The ADR 700 performs operations to capture, enhance, and measure X-ray images to increase defect detection capability. All of these functions, when integrated into an IRT software programming environment, allow for an inspection to be fully automated. The ADR System 700 flexibility provides unparalleled capability for X-ray inspection. IRT also has film darkroom facilities, film readers, and densitometers to expose, develop, and analyze film radiographs. The large X-ray cell size, coupled with the many types of X-ray sources, provide excellent exposure capabilities. IRT maintains a large stock of film and intensifying screens that can be provided to customers. You have just seen some of the equipment used to inspect the wide variety of samples that we look at in the applications laboratory. Some of the inspected samples range from aircraft structures to medical products to electronic samples, as well as a host of others. The laboratory is used to prove sample inspection feasibility and also provide internal research and development to maintain cutting-edge technology for the products of IRT. The Applications Laboratory also provides X-ray inspection services on a time and materials basis for those customers that have a limited sample set and cannot justify a system purchase. If you would like more information about IRT, our products, or the X-ray Applications Laboratory, please contact your local sales representative. Thank you.